Hi, this is Lenny bear. Lenny's an E-field detecting bear or static bear. He has a red LED in this arm and a green one in this arm to indicate positive fields and negative fields. The battery hides under a Velcro enclosure at the back. I'll just get in there so it's secure and in there. This is very similar to Poppy Bear, but we'll show you an addition in a moment. So you've got a little antenna that can either be tucked inside the bear, or to make it more sensitive, you can put it out the back of the bear. We tend to suggest using these bears on isolated surfaces so you don't pick up the static of highly polished surfaces. But, if I just drop the light there, you'll see it gives off quite a really nice glow in the dark. So I'll get my trusty tape. As you'll see, the positive and negative fields indicate. So what's the difference with Lenny bear, you ask? So if we pop on the button on the back, turn him back around, get the tape again. So on the positive trigger, you'll also get an audible tone. So at that point you'll see the static field is balanced, or negative and positive. So the batteries in these bears last absolutely ages. So when you've finished using the bear, you undo the Velcro enclosure, you just remove the battery, pop it in a safe place. There you go, that's Lenny.